I downloaded the Route Planner app. Can you show me how it works?
Sure, I actually really like this feature. Just go ahead and open the app on your smartphone. It says
Okay.
Route Planner.
Yep.
Now, put in your start point, or you can just let the device use your current location and choose your destination. Terrific. Once you're happy with the route, you can just share it with the vehicle.
Okay, so it's just finding its way and start guidance. And there it is. It says via my car.
Love it.
Okay, what I love about this is that normally when I'm sitting there on my computer, I get an email with someone about where my meeting's going to be. I have no way to get it to my car and I have to re-enter it manually. So this actually does it through the app absolutely automatically. That's genius.
It does. You can be in your office, you can be in your living room, enter the address. By the time you get to your car, it's already shared. So let's go ahead and open the navigation. And there, is that your destination?
Oh, that's genius.
Use it now. And we're on our way.
Okay, but what happens if I get to my destination and I have to park around the corner and I still don't know where to go?
Well, that's no problem at all once you've parked your car. And by the way, the system can recommend parking spaces. You can get out of the car. All of the navigation is now back on your phone and it'll get you to your actual destination.